When collectors think about valuable rare coins, their minds often drift toward 19th century gold pieces or early silver dollars. However, one of the most dynamic and accessible areas of modern numismatics lies right within the Lincoln Cent series produced during the 1990s. During this era, the United States Mint underwent significant technological shifts, changing how dies were prepared, how master hubs were updated, and how proof dies were separated from circulation machinery. These mechanical transitions created three outstanding modern varieties every collector should know: the 1992 Close AM, the 1995 Double Die Obverse, and the 1998 Wide AM. Let's examine their historical origins, key identification checkpoints, weight specifications, and estimated market values. Section 1. The 1992 Close AM Lincoln Cent. Our first deep dive brings us to late 1992 at the Philadelphia and Denver mints. During this period, mint engravers prepared an updated reverse die design intended for the upcoming 1993 production year. This new design modified the spacing between the letters A and M in America, pulling them closer together so that their base serifs almost touched. Before the official 1993 rollout, a small batch of these new transitional reverse dies was installed early onto coining presses at both facilities, striking a limited number of regular 1992 circulation planches. Identification checkpoints. Turn the coin to its reverse and focus on United States of America. On a standard 1992 penny, a wide, distinct gap separates the bottom corners of A and M, Wide AM. On the rare 1992 Close AM variety, the bases of A and M sit so tightly together that they virtually touch at the bottom serifs. Additionally, the designer's initials FG, near the Lincoln Memorial, sit noticeably farther away from the building's base. Planchette weight. Authentic 1992 pennies are struck on copper-plated zinc planches and must yield an exact reading of 2.50 grams on a calibrated digital scale. Market values. Depending on condition and third-party grade, estimated values range from $2,000 for circulated examples to over $15,000 for high-grade uncirculated specimens. Section 2. The 1995 Double Die Obverse Lincoln Cent. Our second subject brings us to 1995, marking one of the most prominent double die eras produced in the latter half of the 20th century. During die creation at the Philadelphia Mint, an obverse working die received multiple impressions from a master hub that was slightly misaligned between hubbing passes, transferring distinct double outlines into the steel face of the die. Identification checkpoints. Focus your magnification on the obverse lettering. On the motto "In God We Trust," you will observe strong spread and notch doubling across the letters I, N, G, O, and D. Looking at Liberty, clear doubling is visible along the vertical and horizontal bars of L, I, B, and E. The digits in the date 1995 also display light spread along their top edges. Planchette weight shares the standard modern copper-plated zinc composition, weighing precisely 2.50 grams on a digital balance. Market values. Because many examples were saved directly from bank rolls upon discovery, estimated values range from $25 for lightly circulated pieces to $300 to $500 for high-grade uncirculated examples. Section 3. The 1998 Wide AM Lincoln Cent. Our third featured subject flips the modern variety narrative on its head. By 1994, the Close AM reverse layout had become the standard style for all regular circulation business strikes. However, proof pennies struck at the San Francisco Mint continued to use a wide AM layout to maintain high aesthetic letter separation for collector sets. In 1998, staff at the Philadelphia Mint accidentally paired regular business obverse dies with a proof-style wide AM reverse die, creating a classic proof die on business strike era. Identification checkpoints. Inspect the reverse side of your 1998 Philadelphia penny, no mint mark. On a normal 1998 penny, A and M in America touch at the base, Close AM. On the rare 1998 Wide AM, you will see a clear, distinct open gap separating the bottom serifs of A and M. Additionally, the FG initials sit noticeably closer to the base of the Lincoln Memorial. Planchette weight, struck on standard copper-plated zinc, weighing precisely 2.50 grams on a laboratory scale. Market values, highly popular among roll hunters, with estimated values ranging from $20 in worn condition up to $100 to $500 plus for bright, original red uncirculated specimens. Summary verification checklist. When evaluating these modern varieties, keep this quick verification rule in mind. 1992 cent. Look for close AM, rare transitional design. 1995 cent. Look for doubled lettering on motto and liberty. 1998 cent. Look for wide AM, rare proof die pairing. For all three coins, non-destructive weight testing on a digital scale is mandatory to confirm the standard 2.50 gram planchette specification. Which of these three modern varieties do you find most interesting to hunt for in pocket change?